Welcome back to the Victory Bear channel, where we strive to bring you helpful information and guidance on how to use the wide variety of Victory Bear products. In this video, we'll go over the Victory Bear Slab Saver, its features, and installation methods. The Victory Bear Slab Saver is designed to protect the floors from damage when wall panels are lifted on a tilt-up site. It's a heavy-duty plastic product that's quickly and easily installed in the bottom corner of the walls during the forming process. When the formwork is removed and the wall panels picked, the embedded Slab Saver creates a protective surface for the wall panel to slide on, preventing concrete-on-concrete contact and saving your slab from costly damage. The head of the Slab Saver protrudes from the corner of the wall, while the tail is embedded in the concrete. The tail contains several holes which allow the concrete to securely take hold of the tail. When installing the Slab Saver, it's important to consider the width of the wall panel. For a panel width of 20 feet or fewer, a Slab Saver should be placed 18 inches from each edge, with another placed in the center. If the panel is to be greater than 20 feet, you'll need to install an additional Slab Saver every 5 feet. Once the positioning has been determined, you can simply nail the Slab Saver into place through the anchor holes and head into the formwork. Be sure to use a chamfer piece between lengths of Slab Saver. This allows the Slab Saver to protrude from the wall corner and gives it clearance to prevent concrete-on-concrete contact, as you can see in this example from after the forms are pulled. And it just so happens that Victory Bear manufactures a wide line of chamfer products for any job. And there you have it. In just a few quick and easy steps, Slab Saver lets you protect your investment and save valuable time and money that would be otherwise spent on costly repair work. Thanks for watching, and of course, for more videos and information about our products, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on LinkedIn, or go to our website at victorybear.com.